All right, here we go. Take 21. I didn't have enough steam for that one. Oof. Huh? I got the wrong gear. Oh yeah. Whoa.
These were learning how to ride this stuff, eh?
Exactly, yeah.
The stuff that we had difficult on it last year.
Yeah, I wouldn't even go over this stuff last year. That was sweet. Oof. Pedals got stuck on the roots.
Yeah. You're gonna spike some pedals 3 times.
Oh yeah. Climbing again. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Climbing is definitely getting easier. There we go. Fuck yeah. Sweet. Wah! Whew.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Wash. Woo. Oh, I did it. Yeah. Hoo-wee. That was fucking amazing. That's fucking sick. Wow! shit! Before you know it, I'll be jumping them fuckers.
Look at that, look at you.
That was fucking amazing.
Look at you, I do it.
I actually...
You nailed it.
I taught myself how to fucking jump.
Yeah.
I did. I taught myself how to fucking jump. I actually went them 2 back to back where you got really good speed. And then there was 2 more. Them second 2, I fucking... I hopefully it picked it up. That was fucking sick. I got air.
You got air. You definitely got air. Not downhill. That was worth the climb.
Fucking A, it was. Fuck yeah, it was.
Look at my bear.
That was amazing. That was fucking amazing.
I heard about it. I'm halfway down here. I hear, yow! Yeah, he's loving it. Okay, now we gotta figure out.
Oh, I got bit by something.
Oh, that part of the trail was built by Black Rock Brewery. That's why it's so cool.
That fucker's amazing.
It's built by alcoholics.
Right?
No, just send these guys, you know what I mean? It's not, we're out here.
Yeah, I thought I'd have a problem with them fucking rollies keeping up speed, but now that I know how to gain speed.
On the berm, hit it, go high, shoot
That's
low.
what I did. Yeah, I went
Like,
super high and I...
Tap your front brake going in. That's what I do.
Yep.
And that's, I don't know where I tap, maybe not. And keep your back wheel rolling, right? And then when you tap your front, that's when you can
Turn, yep.
You can pick your trajectory and
Yep.
then you shoot out the bottom of the berm.
That's exactly what I do.
Yeah.
That's fucking amazing.
Yeah, like if we would have went straight, Bertha's just, I don't know where now.
Yeah.
Like, I think, let me see where we are. Let me see where we are. Oh no,
Fucking-
we are right here.
Mosquitoes are terrible.
Can't read with these glasses. Yeah, I knew we were by the golf cart. Alright, so we have to go.
Oh, I don't know if I was recording that.